Hey, welcome to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you? First time here?
Obviously.
Oh, well, welcome. I'm Chris.
Hi.
What's going on?
Nothing. I just got back from Louisville.
Oh, Louisville, Kentucky.
I think so.
Well, how was it? You have a good time?
Yeah, it's fine. I was looking for a cocktail maybe inspired by the place.
I've just learned about this great cocktail, the Kentucky Buck.
Oh, tell me more.
Have you heard of it?
No.
Actually, cocktail, fruity, refreshing. From Kentucky, has the bourbon, has lemon juice, has simple syrup, ginger beer, strawberries bottle too. Does that sound good? Does that sound good?
Strawberries. Yeah, it sounds like a playful cocktail. It sounds like maybe something we could do with the kids on a nice summer day.
Okay. Maybe possibly without the bourbon. Maybe lemon juice, simple syrup, ginger beer with a strawberry for the kids.
There's alcohol in this drink?
There's 2 ounces of bourbon in this drink, yes.
Well, that's stupid. This is stupid.
I'm sorry, you
I
know
feel
this.
stupid.
Oh, I apologize.
I come in here, I have 3 boys at home who just got out of school. They are too fat for summer camp.
Oh, no.
My children suffer from hypertension, hypoglycemia, and they are morbidly obese. And you are here trying to serve them bourbon, a distilled spirit. A distilled spirit.
Tried to serve you the bourbon. I apologize, you didn't know the bourbon was in the cocktail. I know probably the strawberry threw you off. But you could go home and make it for your kids with the ginger beer, lemon juice, simple syrup, and the strawberry garnish, and have the bourbon for yourself.
I suppose I could have some bourbon.
Let's try it first. Let me make you the cocktail in full with the bourbon and see how you like it.
Fine.
Let's make the Kentucky Buck. We're doing, like I said, bourbon. 2 ounces of bourbon. And it's going to be built in the shaker. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1/2 ounce simple syrup. We're going to do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So if the kids don't use the bitters, it has a little alcohol in there too. And then the strawberry, we're gonna drop in here, and we're gonna muddle this all together. So far, so good. What do you think?
Whatever.
I guarantee you're gonna like it. Okay, that should be good. Now we're gonna add ice to your tin. And give it a good shake. Use your fresh strawberries, don't give it a hard shake. Excited? Hope you're excited for this trick.
Is everything to be ready?
Takes time. Okay, this should be good. Into your highball glass, we're gonna add ice with double strain. We're gonna strain this cocktail and leave a little room for ginger beer, which is okay for the kids, but not too much, a lot of sugar in there.
My husband likes to joke around that their blood type is sugar. They're just ever so fast.
Wasn't joking. Just try to suggest in case you didn't know that that there's sugar in ginger beer, so very limited quantities for the kids.
Just don't insult me.
Oh, okay. You're right. I'll stop talking. Okay, now we're gonna top off with ginger beer. Perfect. We're gonna garnish it with a lemon wheel and strawberry.
Those fresh lemons?
Fresh lemons, fresh cut, fresh strawberry, which is okay for the kids. Well, there you have the Kentucky Buck for adults. Give it a shot, ma'am, see what you think.
All right.
What do you think?
It's okay, I guess.
What do you taste?
I taste notes of strawberry.
Correct.
and ginger.
Oh, good.
And FYI, I'm still going to need to speak to your manager. Because
All right.
really Kentucky bucked up my day going after my children. They're my life.
Well, that's good. You cherish your family and your kids first, yes. Go home, make it for your kids, but avoid the bourbon. If you like the video, please like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe to the channel for many more cocktails, kid-friendly, adult-friendly, all of them. And we're on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for coming in today. Hope you come back.
We'll see.
Bye.